In this video, we are going to learn how the count function works. The count function is basically a function that counts if a range of cell contains values or not. For example, here is a set of data which has countries and a list of profits that the country has generated. So here we can clearly see that in this set of data there are a few blanks like this one and this one. The rest of the cells have certain values with them. So here we have 21 names of countries, and corresponding to them there are a certain set of values. So let us find how the count function works, or the count function calculates the number of cells that contains a certain value. So in order to use it, let's start with the equals to sign, which is used for every function. Then we are going to write the function which is count. Now here we find that it requires a certain value or a set of values. So here we are going to put the range of the cell that we are going to count. So our range is from B2, which is the first cell, up to B22, which is the last cell of the range. After putting it, we are going to close the bracket and put enter. So here we find that the number that we are getting is 18. So let's see if it is correct or not. So here we have all the set of data, and the count that we are showing over here is 18. So even if the entire range consists of 21 cells from here to here, but since there are a few blanks, so the count function only counts the number of cells which has a certain value. The cells can have any value as long as they are not blank. So all the cells that have values are calculated within this function, and it gives us the count of them as 18. Hope this video helps you in learning how the count function works. See you in the next one.